Hi there, good morning, good afternoon, and good evening. In this video, I'm gonna teach you how to fix your blurry photos with this best list. And with that being said, I have 7, if not mistaken, software lists for you guys to work with. Let's start first with the most famous one. It's gonna be Topaz. This is gonna be a website. And by the way, Topaz works as a third-party application and not a website platform. So install it on the website, and then here we have it. Let me just open it right now. So perfect. Here's gonna be Topaz. I'm currently using the demo version of Topaz as of now, or free trial if you may. In this video, we're gonna use these samples. Let me just browse them right now and open and look for them. Give me a second here. I think I have 3 samples to work with. I'm gonna start with this one right here. It's basically gonna be an old vintage photo, and as you can see right there, the moment I drop the photo inside Topaz, the AI is currently reading it. It's currently identifying the problem. As you can see right there, it has detecting the face, detected the subject, and currently detecting the noise and blur levels, and so on and so forth. And while doing it, you can check it as I do so. So I'll get back to you once it's finished loading, okay? So welcome back to the video. Here we have it. As you can see on this run right now, the faces are upscaled at a very minimal level. Currently, it's only being uploaded as a sharpening subject as of now. But if you notice, the hair right there, it's a bit better than before. This is the old photo, by the way, the one on the left. The one on the right side is much better. The noise on the face is a bit better versus the one on the left. Now, it's a very minimal changes. That is because we're still in the free trial, even though this is a paid account. Let's try recovering some faces on this option. And it's currently initializing as of now. By the way, you'll have some choices to work with. You have upscale, remove noise, sharpen the object, and preserve text. So let me just zoom in. Maybe a second right there. As you can see over here, it's a bit more clear now. It's a bit more better if you can ask me. And that is the powerful power of Topaz for you. One last thing, let's try upscaling it. And right now, it's currently calculating auto-suggested values for the parameters with each filter. So it's being currently upscaled for 2x or times 2. Let's see how it looks now. Let's just zoom out a little bit. And with that being said, it's much better. Last one, I want to see this one. Just for the sake of discussion, I want to see remove noise right there. Because we already have sharpen and recover face, right? And for me, the best result on this photo is based on this application or this. Each photo has its own quality. For example, each photo has its own desired feature to work with. Not all photo will work properly in remove noising. It will not work properly on sharpen. So you get my idea there, okay? That's currently being enhanced on removing noise. I'll get back to you once it's here. So welcome back to the video. Here we have it. I have combined upscaling, removing the noise, and recovering faces option. And if you might see right here, it's pretty awesome, right? And that's going to be the sample 1 for you. We have sample 1 photo and the first listing of software for you guys. Let's move on with the next sample. Click on this open images so we can check some more. I want to use this one right here. So welcome back to the video. On this example right here, the previous image, if I zoom out, it's a bit more unfocused on the background. If I zoom in, as you can see right there, the AI is trying to remove the noise photo. The noise quality, those pixelated option, those are noise. So currently we only have a blurred action right now. Let's try choosing recover face and see what's gonna happen here. So it will now currently initialize, and by the way guys, this takes up a lot of GPU power. So please have your computer ready so you won't overheat, because this is basically enhancing images. So it's currently viewing autopilot, and there we have it. AI just detected the face and it currently made that one. It's a bit weird on the left side right there, but currently from this previous photo, and you'll have this one right now, I'm gonna give it an 8 out of 5. Because it started from a very noisy photo as original, and it gave you a face, a very clear one. You can upscale and sharpen it one more time to make it a little bit more better. So let's wait for it to finish sharpening, and there we have it. It's a bit more better now. The weirdness on this side right here has lessened. Even though it still have it, it's still lessened, right? Now this is going to be the second sample. Let's move on with the next AI. So for the next AI, it's going to be a web platform based. And this is going to be the website. It's going to be called Remini or Remini. Please correct me if I'm wrong, by the way. So this is the preview. As you can see, it's a pretty promising option from a before photo, and if you scroll it on the left side, that is a very good photo. So this is pretty basic. Just choose a file, drop here. Let's just choose a file for now, choosing right there. And for this video, I'm gonna use this third sample I have. Basically, it's 2 photos, or rather 2 people in 1 photo. So welcome back to the video. Here we have it. Remember when I told you I wanna see if AI can detect the 2 faces? So let's check it out together. If I scroll it on the left side, the first one is currently enhanced. It's pretty powerful. Currently, personally right now, I'm really amazed because this is the first time I'm seeing it also. So let's check the other face. And there we have it. It's a pretty powerful device. With that being said, please check this website out. Even though there's watermarks to work with, and if you download it to remove the watermark, you need to pay the free trial, or rather, the monthly subscription promo. But however, with this one, you can just test the waters for the free trial. And trust me, it's a pretty powerful device. On the left side, you can beautify, enhance some more faces. The background blur, you can remove it, even though we don't have a background just yet. If, for example, you want to remove the background, just choose that option, okay? And if you want to auto color, again, choose the background color right there. So now I want to try with one more example. So this is going to be the next photo because I really want to try it. So I can show you the difference between the 2 AI. So with this one, let's just scroll them onto the left altogether. And there we have it. The face is much better. Let me just zoom it in. Give me a second. It's zooming so much. Sorry about that. Perfect. So before, this is the original photo. It's a pretty noisy photo. And then if you scroll it on the left side, there we have it. That is a pretty powerful face. Okay? So if you want to download this on the free watermark, again, pay the monthly subscription. But for this free trial, just test the waters for now. Now let's move on with the next AI. For the next AI, it's going to be called Photor. It's basically a web platform also. And here we have a preview. Currently, it's a video and a photo enhancer. Click to upload your image, same as the one earlier. So welcome back to the video. Here we have our sample here. So this is going to be the photo editing platform. Let me just zoom it in. And basically with this one, this is a free trial also. So we have a watermark on the lower left side right there. Okay. So if to remove that one, of course, pay the monthly subscription. As you can see, there are a lot of ads going on. However, there is this option that says face unblur. And by automatically, if you drop a photo, it will auto-detect a face and will automatically unblur it. So you don't have to choose anything here just yet. But if you want to customize it, for example, you want to AI scan retouch, some background remover, please do so. But for me, I'm going to stay with face unblur. And then I'm going to use it as it is. So for this one, let's try another example. I'm going to just open an image right here. So click me this one, open an image, choose an image for the filters. I'm gonna choose the one from earlier, this one right here, the old classic photo we have from earlier. So I'll get back to you once it's here. So welcome back to the video. Here's gonna be the new result, and here is on the right side the original photo. I just wanted to show the comparison on the original and the new auto-generated face unblur option on this Photor AI. And if you're gonna ask me, or personally, I'm really shocked on how smooth it is and how perfect it is. Even though the other part of the photo is not unpixeled or unblurred, the face, the most important part of the photo, is properly fixed. It's a bit weird though on the nose, the piercing is gone, but other than that, the skin is there. You can really recognize the photo, right? So let's move on with the next AI. So for the next AI, it's gonna be called Luminar, and this is gonna be a third-party application. It has a free trial also and a paid subscription on this option. So let me just add the photo right there, add an image. And for this sample, I'm still going to use the 2 images we have. I'm proceeding with this one right there. Give me a second to open it up. So here we have it. So by default, this is going to be it. It's still going to be the noisy photo that we have. And let's look for the option to make it unblurred. So here are the options to unblur it. Make sure you're on edit because before or earlier we have on presets, right? So make sure you're in edit section right there, and then you can choose some super sharp, some noiseless, some enhance, and some sky. All of these are AI by the way. So let's start with super sharp for now and choose universal immersion blur. I'm gonna go with universal. I'm gonna choose face enhancer and I'm gonna go with middle option right there. And currently it's detecting with that animation. It's pretty awesome. It's pretty reactive where I hover my mouse, okay? So I'll get back to you once it's done here. So welcome back to the video. As you can see right here, it's a bit weird, and I really don't know why the AI gave us this one. Maybe it's because this is a free trial. I've already tried the super sharp and the noiseless option. So with this photo, let's try another sample. Maybe this is just gonna be by different photo basis. So let's try uploading a different photo by that plus icon right there. And then I'm gonna upload the one from earlier. So my images, I'm gonna go with this one right here. The vintage photo we have, place it like so, and wait for it to upload it. So here we have it. We have this vintage photo right now. Let me just zoom it in, and I'm gonna use noiseless right now because mainly it's noiseless. So I'm gonna choose middle because that's the recommended option from AI. And then you can add some more here with the parameters if you want, but for now I'm gonna choose this one. And I'm gonna show you how it looks like. So basically with that, we have the denoise as of now, and I'm gonna choose this enhance AI right now. I wanna make it a little bit more accent, about 50 right there. So make it more upscale looking, right? And with that one, I wanna use super sharp also. So this is the difference earlier. Remember the example we have earlier? It's a bit weird looking, the eyes. It's because of this super sharp option. So with this one, I wanna use face enhancer again. I'm gonna choose middle for this photo. I'll get back to you once it's here. So welcome back to the video. Here we have it, by the way. This is gonna be the output photo on the left, and the one on the right is the original photo again. As you can see right there, it's a bit more better now than the original photo versus the first sample from earlier. Remember this one? Let me try and hide it or duplicate the layer or show layer right there. And I'm gonna hide this one. So as you can see right there, it's a bit weird looking. Maybe because of the noisy part. And if you notice on the background color, everything here earlier is noisy, right? Everything here is pixelated. However, it made weird on the face. So I think, or I suggest that it's gonna be differ from photo to photo. It's like gonna be a case-to-case basis. So please make sure you check them properly. As you can see right there, we fixed the background, we fixed everything rather than the face. However, for this sample, let me just hide this layer and then show this one right here. We have it properly fixed on the face, focusly. However, the background is this pixelated. So it's gonna be a case-to-case basis on this exact AI. So I think the one winning right now for me is still the Mini-Me or Remini, if I'm not mistaken. If especially Topaz and Remini AI are still winning for me. So let's move on with the next one. So for the next one, we're gonna be calling it on Noise AI 2023, and it's gonna be also a third-party application. So I'm gonna open the photo right there to choose our sample photo. Again, to redeem itself, I'm gonna choose the one earlier, the one that made the read phrase. And I'm just gonna allow access for this one because I just installed it as of now. So I can take you step by step here. So currently it's being uploaded on the application, the photo we have. So let's wait for it to finish uploading. So welcome back to the video. This is gonna be our sample and try to redeem this photo. Let's try giving it a chance to redeem itself. So let me just scroll it down right there on the left side. So it's not really doing something. It's removing the pixelated or the noisy photo, but we still have that blurry quality. And by the way guys, I did not do anything just yet. I just uploaded the photo and AI auto detected some features right there. So let's try moving something here. For example, I'm gonna enlarge the enhanced delay for 95. And let's see how it works here. Give me a second to load up. It's currently loading right now. So let's try checking it. So there isn't much changes. How about micro sharpening right here? All the way up. So let's check it right now. So as you can see right here, there isn't much difference. So as we see right here, it's still gonna be a case-to-case photo basis. So we can cross out this on-one no noise application on the list, but if you want to try it out of yourself, please do so. But for me, it's definitely going at the bottom of the list, this no noise AI. So let me just remove it and proceed on the next application. So for the third application, we're gonna use our favorite Canva. By the way guys, even though I have the paid subscription, this method right here or this option is also available for free trial versions. So please don't worry even though you're not using a paid version just yet. I'm gonna show you how it works, so click on the applications button right there. And with this one, you're gonna have a lot of choices. You have Hey Jen, Hello Art, and so on and so forth. But for now, I want you to type in this exact word. Type in enhance, okay? Perfect. And then click on enter. And you'll have this option right there, enhancer. Click on it like so. And basically with this one, you can open a photo. Click on open. And wait for it to open up. By the way, it's gonna be an AI inside Canva. That's how powerful Canva is. So I suggest taking a look. I'm on video from my YouTube videos regarding Canva. And then I have a sample edit there saying how good the paid subscription is. So please check it out. So I'm gonna choose a file right now. So with this video, or this sample rather, I'm gonna go straight with this one because I want really to redeem it. So I'm gonna choose a file right now. As you can see, I have that warning said, unfortunately, the image you've selected is too large because the one I tried earlier is very large. So let me try this one right now, this old school. There we have it. I can enhance face. Of course, I want the face to be enhanced properly. And click on enhance image. So this option right now is currently enhancing it inside Canva. We don't need a third-party application. I'll get back to you once it's here. So welcome back to the video. This is going to be a result, and as you can see on the text above, it has been enhanced by 160%. So let me just click on it to apply it on our Canva. Enhance it like so, and zoom it in a little bit. So even though I don't pull up my original photo, or rather let me just pull it up, sorry about that. So as you can see right there, it's not just the face. Even the whole image has been enhanced. Even the background itself has been removed on the pixelation. And trust me guys, if I say that this is one of the best among the list. It even tops off Topaz AI. Personally for me, Canva right now is top of the list. And with this one, by the way, after you finish enhancing it, it's going to be going to your library in Canva so you can use it in future projects. So let's try one more. Let me just start over, choose a different one. Give me a second here. So let me just remove this one, choose a file right there, and then I'm going to choose this two right here. Of course, I'm going to enhance the face, enhance image, and wait for the magic to happen. Again, I'm really surprised how Canva is working properly. I'll get back to you once it's here. So welcome back to the video. On this photo, as you can see right there, it has been enhanced by 500%. If you're going to ask me, that is 5 times the upscale, though that is going to be a very good design. So as you notice, we don't have control on how much it will be upscaled. Canva will dictate with that one. So this is the original image. So click on it, open it on Canva. Let me try dragging this one also, if I can drag it. So it doesn't allow me. However, I have the original image on my PC. So let me just choose downloads and look for my original image. Here we have it. So let me just expand this one, give it a second. So without even looking at the original image, we'll know that this is a pretty good design. It's a pretty powerful one. So this is the original image in comparison. There is no noisy, even though it's not really pixelated. If you zoom in on the eyes, I'm going to zoom in on the eyes right here, okay? Give me a second here. There we have it. That comparison or the scale on that level is pretty scary if you could ask me. It's pretty awesome though. So that is gonna be the power of Canva. And take note, this is also available for free trial version. So I think the paid subscription differs on how much it will be scaled, but I'm not too sure about that. So they don't say about that one. So again, try this out. Please, again, I really want you to try this out. Even though that this is a free trial, I'm really urging you to try Canva because I'm really surprised at the quality with this one. And that being said, thank you so much for watching. Please hit the like button and subscribe. I'll catch you guys in the next one. Goodbye for now.